Hello everybody, the purpose of this video is to show the process of changing or editing owner information for a driver for an entry after payments have already been created. So it's kind of a multi-step process here, and we want to be able to show it to you. So here I've got an event where we've filled in entries. We've run through an entire race night where there is results in for everything, and we have calculated points and pay, right? And we've created payments. All of that is true. We've got all that information in there. So what we want to show here is what happens when, after we've run through an entire show for 1099 purposes, for tax purposes, what happens if the payee is wrong and I have to edit owner information or something like that. Basically, the payout has to go to somebody else. So I want to show that process because there's some obvious steps, but then there's a little bit of a hidden step at the end as well. The obvious step is to come to the entry list to find the owner information that's wrong. We're going to say tonight that this payout should not have gone to owner, it should have gone to driver. So if that's the case, I can just uncheck the payout goes to owner box and resave. If I need to enter a different owner information or if I need to add an owner for somebody, I can just edit the entry to change the owner information. But right now I'm just going to remove the checkbox. We're going to say that this payout should have gone to driver instead of owner. So owner is still listed, but now payout is going to driver. Obvious step one, right? We fix the owner information, whether it be to remove the pay goes to owner or add an owner or change the owner, whatever. We edit that. The second step here, again, somewhat obvious, is when I go to the points and pay tab, I have to create payments again. So that's step two. Step one, fix it in the entry list. Step two, create payments again. When I create payments, that will push, as you can see, the payout data to go to driver name instead of owner name. There is a third step. This is less obvious, right? This is the important one. When I run my 1099 report, right now it's going to show that there are 11 payees, even though there were 10 cars, right? So I actually have to go to the previously listed owner. You can see that it's highlighted here in a darker color. The previously listed owner, because I created payments previously, is still having credit for a payment here. So I actually have to manually zero this out. So I zero that out and resave. And now when I look at my 1099 report, driver name will be listed as payee for this amount. Owner name will not get anything. So again, it's a three-step process. One, we fix it in the entry list. Two, we create payments again in the points and pay tab. And then three, when I'm looking at the payments, I have to zero out the quote-unquote bad payee, whether it's driver or wrong owner or whatever. That's the process for fixing an owner as it relates to the 1099 report, as it relates to payments. If you have any questions on this, please let us know. Email support@myracepass.com. Thank you for watching, and thanks for being a member of Team MRP.